Hi, I'm Mike, I'm the Business Development Manager here at AliDeck. Today I'm going to be talking you through our brochure. The AliDeck brochure is a brief introduction to our business, tells the story of how we got into the market, and is ideal for architects, specifiers and developers to find out more product information about our large range of aluminium fabric components. It details the various components, how they comply with BS 8579 in terms of steel structure and concrete substructure, along with remediation work for various decking types too. You can find various products, so for example this is our senior flat board, 1200 span board, but again all the different boards range and work with different choice combinations to achieve different finish floor levels. The brochure details our AliPave product, the AliClad range including the AliClad Flow, which is a soffit drainage system, and finally just at the back there's the various different balustrade options that we have within the AliRail range. Anything you need to know about our business and our products is in the brochure. That's available in a hard copy from our website, or alternatively you can download it in the link just here.